Can the government punish lawyers just for representing the wrong clients? The Trump administration seems to think so. I'll tell you how and why it's so dangerous in this edition of The Unpopulists' Executive Watch Abuse of the Week. Today, we're examining the Trump administration's latest move against the independence of the legal profession, issuing a presidential memo targeting law firms that represent clients Trump doesn't like. For example, the firm that represents former special counsel Jack Smith, Covington and Burling, Perkins Coie, who represented Hillary Clinton during the 2016 election, and Paul Weiss for, among other things, its ties to a lawyer who filed suit against January 6th rioters. This new memo from the administration accuses these firms of engaging in grossly unethical misconduct and outlines potential sanctions against them and others who have behaved similarly, including revoking security clearances, penalizing any federal contractors that do business with them, and other measures designed to threaten their business interests. Traditionally, courts have the authority to address attorney misconduct, established through Rule 11 of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure. But this presidential memo attempts to sidestep that, bypassing judicial oversight to control and intimidate legal representation. This sets a dangerous precedent by discouraging lawyers from taking on cases that challenge the government. Just like Trump's flagrant disregard for due process, this move takes aim at a fundamental dynamic of our legal system. This time, adversarial representation. Defendants have a right to counsel, even against the state, and Trump's intimidation undercuts that practice. The right to legal representation isn't a privilege. It's a pillar of democracy. Undermine it, and the whole system could crumble. To read a full breakdown of the abuse that is Trump's memo and see into even more executive actions and their implications, check out the Unpopulists' Executive Watch series at theunpopulist.net.